5, 6, 7, 8. Go step. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Step 1, half 2, cross 3 and 4 with the spiral. Cha cha cha. Cross rock samba. Step half turn. Wizard. Step. Now we're going to step and bump. Here you go. It's step, shake and step. Chase, turn, step. Now here we go. Diamond. 8 and sweep. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Box step now. 2 and 3. Toaster to the front. Bring it to the back. Start again. 1, 2 and 3. Smile for the camera. 6 and 7 and 8. 1, half 2. Bring it to the back with a lift. Cha cha cha. Cross rock side. Samba step. Half turn, wizard, step, step and bump. 1, shake and shake, step, turn, step, shake and bake, step and sweep. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and well done. Right, wall number 5, facing Allison from the front. Wall number 5 is a restart. Let's do wall number 5. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Lift, cha cha cha. Samba step, cross and step. Step, turn 5, 6 and 7, 8. Step 1, shake and shake. Step, turn, run. Now you're going to restart. 1, 2 and 3. Did you get there? Just say yes. Awesome. All right. We will guide you through. End of dance. End of dance. Turn and face. Keep facing Allison. Let's do the last. This is the last wall. Let's just go from the step, shake and shake. You're going to get as far as steps, shake and shake. With Allison, 7, 8. So step, shake and shake. Do that again. Shake and shake. Bring it to the front. Oh, you all got the ending. Well done. Let's strike while the iron's hot. This is lights down low, but we don't want them to go out. Here we go. Lights down low. Hey, Mr. DJ. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Step 1, shake and shake. Step turn 1, shake and shake. Run and sweep. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Bring to the front. Wizards. Step shake. 1, 2 and 3. Oops. Stop. Stop. That was a